Hello everyone, we RK Engineering Works, an ISO 9001/2015 certified industry. Established in the year 1998 at Jaipur, Rajasthan. We recognized as leading manufacturer and trader of freight elevator, hydraulic lift elevator, industrial goods lift, cage lift, cargo goods lift, hoist, dumbwaiter elevator, winches, hydraulic lift, structure goods lift, warehouse lift, hydraulic home lift, hoist lift, dumbwaiter lift, EOT cranes, single girder crane, double girder crane, jib crane gantry H. We have gained a noteworthy position in this industry. We are offering 24 to 36 months warranty on our products. We have more than 1,000 well-known customers in all over India such as ITC, NBC, Aditya Birla Group, Cadbury and many more. If you have any query, feel free to call us. Contact number 7222818611 or 9413341806. Also visit us www.rkengineeringworks.in.